The pilot project is the Salt Marsh Habitat Restoration Project on 42 acres of Weedon Island Preserve in Pinellas County. We're doing this project to restore the mosquito ditches and remove the mounds that were created in the 1950s to combat mosquito control. The mounds became a problem because the elevation of the soil that was put in the mangroves was much higher, and it brought in a lot of the exotic vegetation and it changed the habitat.
Pinellas County came to the district as part of our cooperative funding initiative to partner on the Weedon Island Tidal Marsh Restoration Project. This is aligned with the district's Tampa Bay swim plan. Its mangrove and intertidal environments are an important environment to restore, and part of our goal is to look for opportunities to work with our local partners to enhance and restore these areas. And these areas are also important for the overall water quality for Tampa Bay as well.
The work that was done was, first we removed the mounds by excavating the mounds, and then we either dredged, desilted, or filled in ditches to improve the natural flow and the water in the ditches.
Although construction's only just completed, we're already seeing positive impacts from this project. Already in the construction footprint, we're seeing mangroves recruiting into the area, and that really highlights the philosophy of if you build it, they will come. We've created the perfect conditions for mangroves to recruit into this area. Over the next few years, we're going to see that recruitment occur naturally. The district looks to improve natural systems. These projects help to enhance and improve habitat to restore the mix of environments we had in these areas historically, and also to provide the full suite of ecosystem services that the natural communities provide.